Hi everyone, welcome to Rap4 TV. This is a quick video on how Rap4 field paintballs are created. First, the two halves are fused together in a cookie cutter process, and the paintball fill is added. Then they are separated and prepared for the process of spin drying. The drying process helps them become as round and spherical as possible.